Hello kids, hope all of you are good. Today your mother teacher topic is food part 1. So let's talk about it. Food, substance consisting initially of protein, carbohydrate, fat and other nutrient used in body of the organism to sustain growth and vital process and to furnish energy. Where does food come from? Plants are the source of food. Ingredients like grain, cereals, vegetable and fruit. Animal provide us with milk, meat product and eggs. Cow, goats, buffalo are some common animals which gives us milk. Milk and milk product like butter, cream, cheese, curd are used all over the world. Food is what people and animal eat to survive. Food usually comes from animal and plants. It is eaten by living things to provide energy and nutrition. Food contains that people and animal need to be healthy. Types of food. Food is any substance normally eaten or drunk by living things. The term food also included liquid drinks. There are 4 basic food energy sources: fats, protein, carbohydrate and alcohol. And historical development, humans are omnivorous animals that can consume both plants and animal products. Vegetables are part of the plants that are consumed by human or other animal as food. The original meaning is still commonly used and it applied to plants collectively to refer to all the edible plants matter, including flower, fruits, stem, leaves, root and seeds. Fruit. In the botanical sense, fruit is fleshy or dry, ripe ovary of the flowering plants enclosing the seed and seeds. Apricot, banana and grapes as well as beans, pod, corn, grain, tomato, cucumber and acorn, the almond are technically fruits. A grain is a small hard dry seeds with or without an attached full or whole fruit layer and a harvest for human or animal consumption. A grain is crop is in grain producing plants. Thus major global commodity markets exist to maize, rice, soybean, wheat and the other grain but do not tuber vegetables or other crops. So let's talk about facts about food. Number 1. Generally speaking, the word grain covers 7 major types. Number 2. Global product of grains surpasses 2.5 billion tons. Number 3. Sorghum is very diverse grain indeed. Number 4. Rice may be odd one out in the grain family. Number 5. Wild rice isn't rice at all. So kids, tell me, which is your favorite fruit and food? Please write in the comment section. Hope you all kids are able to learn and recognize about the food part 1. If you like my video, please like it, share it and subscribe my channel and also press bell icon. Thank you for watching. Thank you for support.